Hi, I'm Ange and I'm a freelance photographer.
My name's Daniel and I'm a freelance musician.
I'm James and I'm a freelance graphic designer.
Before I used Hnry, I was not very good at saving up my tax money.
I used to use our family's accountant. He had a pretty limited understanding of my needs as a musician. Sometimes I would get a return, sometimes I would owe tax, but the main thing was that I was confused about everything.
I'd always worked as an employee before. I didn't know anything about how to freelance. I didn't know anything about taxes. I think I literally almost went to like the fourth Google result and picked an accountant that had a website that looked kind of okay.
I felt really stressed when deadlines were approaching. It was not great. I just felt like I had nothing together. I really didn't know what I was doing and I hate maths, so it wasn't fun.
I first saw Hnry in an online advertisement and I thought, this looks really good, I should look into it. And of course, I didn't look into it until probably 2.5 to 3 years later. And now I think I wish I'd got started then because I'd be so much more in control of my money.
When I was looking at Hnry for the first time, I saw that I could invoice my clients and I also wanted to be able to have a credit card facility for my clients to be able to pay me with credit card and then also do my tax return as well. Like they literally do everything that I wanted.
Everything from office stationery to consulting to subcontracting to depreciation is all extremely easy to log as an expense on the Hnry app.
I was made to feel very welcome. I didn't feel like any question was stupid, whereas previously I felt embarrassed to ask questions. But with Hnry, it was all very personalized. They gave me answers that weren't generic, but were actually tailored to what I needed to hear.
I love that all of my obligations in terms of money are taken care of.
There's just that layer of stress that's kind of gone for me now because there's this team of people behind the scenes that do all the stuff that I don't love.
I can't even explain how good it is just to not have to worry about this sort of thing.